Hello guys, this is my student social media addictions dashboard and want to see how social media affect students. So we build a full dashboard using Power BI and Excel starting from the very beginning with no pre-made tools, template or shortcut. 107 student and Instagram is one of the most used platform and health, sleep, and grades all analyzed in there. And watch the full video now. Link in descriptions. This is our column charts and this is our bar chart and Instagram most used platform. And there is gender distributions like female and male. There is mental health and sleep in India, most used platform is Instagram and then Facebook and WhatsApp. And average daily users hours like 612 and total student like 53 and average addictions score 7 hours they use and academic level is 2 there is academic level like graduate and undergraduate. There is no high school. So thank you for watching my video.